This potato plant has been dead for about a week, so I want to dig it up. This one's kind of dying. It's in a little bit different area. This one's kind of dying too. So I want to dig these up just as first plants to see what it looks like, see what kind of potatoes I'm getting. So first of all, I'm going to pull the vines, get them out of the way, break them off. That one tore right up. I hope a vole didn't do something there. That's kind of scary. Hope I didn't lose the crop to the voles. That one just came up. Let's see, where's that one going? Okay. Alright. Okay, let's see what we can get here now. This structure might be in my way. Let's see if there's any potatoes down here. Potatoes, patatas. Oh, this ground's harder than I thought it would be. It's muddy ground, but it's got a lot of roots in it. Really rich, dark soil. I may have to move this. This is just holding this up. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to dig it up with that in the way. Ow! The leaf was hiding this piece. I slammed my knuckle into it. Well, let's go get a smaller digging tool. Alright, let's try my little scoop here. See if I can scoop anything up with it. Well, there's an earthworm, a couple earthworms. That's always a good sign. Lots of earthworms. Oh, there's a potato. There's one. Oh, there's a small one. There's a tiny little potato. Little tiny ball. What do we got here? Here's a good sized potato. Decent size. I can tell this is going to be a lot of fun digging underneath the grapevine. Looks like the voles got to my potatoes. This is all I got out of 4 plants. Looks like they ate all the tubers. I do have a ton of earthworms though. Anyone want an earthworm? I'm going to keep digging, see if I can find anything worthy, but I should have a lot more than this by now. Okay, I've dug out this extensive area here, way down here. All this area should have given me a lot of potatoes. Here's what I've gotten. I've gotten this big one with some eyes on it. I think I stabbed this one with the pitchfork. That's 1. Here's 2. 3. 4. 5. Now they're getting smaller. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and look at this one. They should have been a lot. There should have been 40 in here, and I have taken a dozen off the surface. So we found a dozen in the last month that we've eaten, plus these, which are pitiful. The voles have been in here. The topsoil, when I first started digging, was loose. Deeper I went down, it was compact. So this is all coming out before next season, and I'm putting in hardware cloth, 1/4-inch hardware cloth along the sides and the bottom to keep the voles from doing this. And I was trapping the voles, I was catching them, but there's just too many, and they can eat them too quick. They could eat all the tubers before they get caught. So I'm going to keep digging. I still have about half the planter to go. So I've dug up to that point, down deep, using the pitchfork and my little spade. Got as many potatoes as I could find. I'm not going to go any further because there's a jalapeno plant there that's still good. I don't know if you can see these. These were tiny little cayenne pepper plants I grew from seed, but they didn't get enough sunlight, didn't really do much. They're trying to produce now, but it's too cold. So if you remember the count before, what was it, 14? So here's what I found so far. There's a giant, oh look at this giant earthworm. I've been finding these everywhere. Oh, he sees me coming. He saw me coming and he started to run. Look at this guy. There's a whole bunch of big ones in here like this. All right, if he'll stretch out, he might be as long as my wrist to my finger. So let's go. Here's another one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and that's a good size one. That's 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and this one is starting to grow another plant. Number 16, 17, here's 18, 19, they're tiny, 20, 21, 22, tiny, 23, I don't even know if you can count these, 25, they're just tiny, they're not even edible. So that's probably 30, 50, maybe 50 something potatoes so far out of this all season long. Let that guy go back in. And I'm going to dig the rest another day after the jalapenos are dead. Jalapenos are still doing good. So that's it for now. And maybe, depending on our winter, what we have now, maybe I'll do it this season, maybe I'll do it next where I dig it all out and put hardwood cloth in.